So I have like a really fun thing to share with you. So, little backstory. So we're going to California this weekend, like through next week. And I was like, oh, there's a couple things I want to get before we go to California, just so I can feel like fresh and new. Hi, Rosa. And so I ordered a new phone case, you know, Amazon Prime. And so I asked Mason on the way home yesterday. Hi, Neil. Hi, Heather. I asked him if, hi, Mercedes, if my phone case had come. And he's like, yeah, but why did it have such a big box? And so I'm thinking, what do you mean? And then he goes, oh, I don't know. It's like some big box from New York. New York is where Alcone is. Thanks, Mercedes. Alcone is like the professional makeup store, LimeLife by Alcone, you know. And so I was like, what? He's like, what are you waiting for? And I'm like, well, I don't know. You know, I've ordered like, hi, Min. I'm like, I've ordered a couple things. Like, I can't even keep track. But this is something that I didn't have to order. Fun surprise. And he was like, I don't know. Is this thick? And I'm like, okay. I'm like, it could be something special. So I got this little card. I forgot to bring it in my bedroom, but I got this little card that was like, what did it say? Like, glow it up, or I don't know. It was something catchier than what I could make. Hi, Uncle Ryan. And anyway, my Riki mirror is like a $200 mirror thingy, basically like a portable vanity, and I can't even, I was going to wait to open this, but I did this while I was talking, apparently. It came, and so this is something that I earned thanks to the support of all my customers, so thank you. I love that we all get to have awesome products, and then I get to not only make money, but like earn awesome things that I never could have otherwise. I actually heard of this when I was in my other network marketing company, like a year and a half ago. I heard about this mirror, and I was contemplating meeting up with this lady to purchase it. Ended up not going through. So I've actually been into this for a little while. So you can get this on my site, but the one that I have is like a special edition rose gold. So I'm going to open it and show you guys. So look how pretty. So cute. So this is called Riki, and it's by the company Glamcore. So this is something that I think you can get them other places, but there's like ones that are specifically for LimeLife. That's our new name that's coming soon. So I'm just going to open this pretty box and hopefully not dump it everywhere. I need like something to be able to show you. Okay. Let's see. How can we do this? So, open it up. It's nice and padded. Hi, Crystal. Hello. Okay, so it has this little note. Cute. Aww. Let's see what it says. That's funny. Look at this. You guys can read that. Is it backwards for you guys? It's just a funny message. So if you can't read backwards, sorry. But it's pretty funny. I'll post a picture maybe in the comments. So that's that. And now I get to open this. This is the Riki Skinny. There's like different versions of it. But the skinny one's like super sleek. So I think it's going to be really good for travel. Let's see what this has in it. Okay, so this is telling you like exactly how to do it. So basically there's all these attachments that I will open up and show you guys. I've seen on other videos, but never in real life. Ah. Oh, so good, Crystal. Lots of family here. Yes. A few more days. I know it's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. We're like packing us so much into this week. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be insane. Okay, so I just took it out of the box. Blah, blah. And yeah, this is the Riki mirror, and it has the new brand name. You know, we had to rebrand because in other countries the name LimeLife was already taken. So we are officially transitioning to LimeLife. So there still are some things on my website that are 20% off at a discount because they just have the old packaging, but they're still like brand spanking new products. That's a tangent. So that's exciting that it has the new logo on it. I have to make sure not to drop this, so I'm going to open this, not on camera. Yeah. Let's see. What is this little sticky guy? Oh, don't want to take that off yet. Basically, it's like an iPad vanity, basically. Like, it's super... Oh, and I get to take this with me to California. How perfect. Cool, right? This is what it looks like. Anything on the back? Rose gold. I don't know what's on the bottom. Probably the battery pack or something. So there's all these little things that you can do. You can pair it with your phone with Bluetooth. You can take, I don't know, take a camera, take a picture, and then you can adjust the brightness. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can adjust it to be brighter or darker. And then, I don't know, this probably tells you the battery life right here, and then the power button. Feels like a portable vanity. How freaking sweet. So I'll probably, if I have time tonight or tomorrow, I'm busy tomorrow, I'm packing Thursday. We'll see. Sometime I'll break this out and show you guys. Hopefully tonight. So that's that, but then you also get all these awesome attachments. So like this, I'm going to stick on the mirror. It goes, these go on the mirror, and it just, I think it's just magnetic. I don't want to take the film off though until I'm actually going to use it. Pop, pop. So it's just magnetic. You just clip this on there, and this is where my phone is going to go. And this can turn different ways. So I could do like my YouTube this way, my Facebook this way, even though I do my Facebook the YouTube way. You guys know. So that's really easy. That's going to make my life so much easier when I'm trying to balance everything. It's just all going to be in one place. And like I said, you guys can get this on my site too. It's really cool. And so if you're in like any sort of network marketing, or you just like to make makeup videos or whatever, this is a great option. So I'm excited to show you guys how to use it as I learn. Okay, and then there's this cute little box. This has the charging port setup situation here. That's, I mean, everybody knows what that's like, so nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Let's see what else does it come with. It comes with this stand, which has like these grippy things on the bottom. I love the colors, they're so cute. Hi, Kaylee. You know, it has that sound. Nice and grippy so it doesn't go everywhere on the table. Let's see if I can show you guys how it sits. I'm going out to dinner with my friend Ashley, so that's why I'm just trying to hurry before she gets here. Let's see. So it just sits right in here. Obviously on a flat surface is where you want to put it. But yeah, super easy and like portable. That's what I'm excited about, because you know I travel so much for my gigs, and hopefully going to be traveling more for reasons yet to come. And so that's really exciting. And then this last part is the, what is this called? Like the 3 times like zoomed in, what is that called? Zoomed in mirror? Magnifying mirror. So then you put this on there, and this also has those little things, little magnets on the back. Jessica! Well, work really hard and then just buy one. That's what you could do. Okay, how does this stick on? Well, I think this one needs to have this off before it sticks on, because I think the magnets are not as strong. But this is supposed to go on there too. I'll take the film off of this one so you guys can see yourselves. Hello! Look at that beautiful day out there. So, that is that. And that's the Riki mirror. That's everything that I got in the little thing. So, how cool is that? LimeLife fixed it. LimeLife has like these awesome incentives. So I'm gonna, you know, play with this and figure it out. But there's all sorts of crazy incentives happening all the time. Like this month, there's like, you can get bouquets delivered to you, and what is the other thing? Like I earned like a pop socket like for my phone to hold in my hand last month, and just all these random things when you're already getting like the benefits of having so much fun, helping people figure out like fun products for them, natural products for them, getting the money obviously, but then getting like the free stuff on top of it. In addition to the makeup, you're also getting like the random incentives that you get just for working your business. So that's my whole spiel of my Glamcore Riki mirror. How cute is this? Probably just have to put it in my place somewhere because it's so cute, right? Do you guys heart the heart? Anyway, I am gonna get going so I can go do dinner with Ashley. We're probably going to Panera. But if anybody has suggestions, maybe we'll go somewhere else if you suggest. Because we got time. We got freedom. Anyway, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's like 80 degrees here. It's insane. Like, I was wearing like a tube top and shorts today, like trying to get a little bit of sun. Like, please. I don't think I got very tan. Like, Mason says I didn't, but I think I did. Let's see. Not so much, but hopefully Callie will do that. So, Anyway, now I'm actually leaving. I'll see you guys next time and be blessed.